It's a fresh day, well, afternoon, because I had a lazy morning, but everyone needs one from time to time. Yesterday I managed to get the inner sill on, the outer sill all lined up, sorry. So today we're fixing the inner sill. Yeah. Let's go! Right, first job, I'm gonna cut this down there and weld in a new piece, as if you can see it's rotting in that corner. Now let's make a panel that'll fit in there and then weld up, obviously where I've cut across there. Right, so I'm gonna have to make it in 2 patches, but that one fits pretty good. Then afterwards I'll make one fit up there. But yeah, quite pleased with that. That bit's now done and dusted, and all the way around the back. Obviously there's a hole there which I'll get onto, but for the meantime I'm going to start reconnecting this inner sill with this lower panel, as I want to get some structure back in the car. So if you look here, the way that it was originally made is the floor came down, as the floor came across and down, then the inner sill came down, and then the outer sill would come round and down to this flange where they were all spot welded, like crimped all the way down. What I'm going to do here, well, all the way up actually, because let me turn you. Yeah, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a piece that connects these two together, and then take from the other floor across and down to make the flange. I've welded that in and underneath, so obviously this now is not moving anywhere. Proper strong. I'm not going to bother with tidying all the welds up because it's on the inside anyway. So my next thing, just quickly before it goes dark, I'm going to try that outer sill on again, just to make sure I haven't moved anything, and see if it still fits over. Yeah, it still fits pretty nice, and now I can see. Well, it's too dark, you can't see it, but I can see because I'm here. I can see where I need to build it to, and whereabouts it needs to go to.